Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2 USB transmitter not working. So here, first thing you want to do is try to restart your Xbox console. Press and hold power button on the console for several seconds until the console turns off. Do not quickly press this button as that will only put the console in sleep mode. Now once the console has completely turned off, press the power button on the console to run it back on the headset with the console again. Turn on both the headset and console. The LEDs should light up. Now, press the enroll button on your Xbox console until it flashes quickly. Then, press and hold connect button on the headphones until the LED on the headphones starts flashing rapidly. Update headset firmware. Connect your headset to the Turtle Beach Audio Hub program on your PC or Mac to update your device firmware. Try all these steps, and if still doesn't work, you can simply go and contact the Turtle Beach support because they are the only one who can help you fix it. And that's basically it.